In this lesson, we will solve question number 10th, 11th, 12th and 13th of exercise 1.2, linear inequalities in one variable. So question we have, this is question number 10, 2y plus 5 is less than equal to 4. So see, we have one variable here, 2y, which will remains the same. This sign will remains the same, 4 will remains the same on the right hand side, but this constant is on the right hand side with the variable. We have to take the transpose, means we have to transfer it to the right hand side. The sign will change, now it will be -5. So 2y is less than equal to, which is equal to -1. Here we want only y, so here we are dividing both sides with +2. It means there is no need to switch this sign, this inequality sign. So y is less than or equal to 1/2, and this is our answer. Next question is question number 11, and we have 5 -4x is greater than 6. So see, this -4x will remains the same on the left hand side, then this sign 6 will remains the same. We have to take the transpose. Here there is no sign, it means this is positive, so on the other side it will be -5. -4x is greater than, this is 1. So here, see, here we have to divide both sides with the negative number, which is -4. So this will cancel each other, x will remains the same. Here we have -1/4, so sign will, it will be x is less than 1/4, -1/4, and this is our answer. Again, I am explaining that if we divide or multiply both sides of the inequality with minus, with the negative number, we have to switch this sign. If it is greater than, make it less than. If it is less than, make it greater than. Then we have question number 12, and in question number 12 we have 3z plus 2 is less than 7z plus 1. So see, this 3z will remains the same, but one variable we have on the right hand side, so we have to take the transpose. It will be -7z. Then this one will remains the same on the right hand side, but this constant is on the left hand side. We have to take the transpose. It will be -2. So it will be -4z is less than -1. Again, you have to divide with negative number both sides of the equation, so this will cancel. So z will be greater than 1/4. This is the answer. One important thing is here, so see, here we had, I will show you here, -4z is less than -1. This one, -4z is less than -1. Do not cross this negative here, right? If it is equality, yes, you can cross this, but if it is inequality, do not cross it. You have to divide it by whatever is multiplying with the variable, both side, and switch the sign. And then is question number 13. 5 -2x is greater than equal to 3x minus 4. What is the first step? We have to take the transpose. All the variables we have to bring on one side, and all the constant, this -4 will remains the same, but we have to take the transpose of this +5, which will be -5. So it is -5x, which is greater than equal to -9. So again, see, here is negative, here is negative. Do not cross if it is inequality. If it is equal, yes, you can cross, but if it is inequality sign, do not cancel this. Divide this with the -5, divide this with the -5 as well. These two cancel x, and then for this you have to switch the symbol. It will be 9/5. This minus and minus will cancel each other, and this is our answer. I hope these questions are clear to you, but again, if any point is not clear, you can ask me. Subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching.